Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to put the Favicon on Squarespace. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time with Squarespace, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Adding a favicon, the small icon that appears in the browser tab to your Squarespace site, is a simple process. Alright, so once you are logged in to your account, I want you to hover to the design settings. And from here, click the website that you wanted to add the favicon. For example, this one right here, I would be forwarded to this specific section. Alright, wait for it to load, and this is going to be that. That's the favicon wherein you can adjust your site's favicon. Now, what is favicon? Basically, it's the image here on the top of your browser. I want to change it to our logo. Alright, so for us to be able to do that, all I have to do is upload an icon to display in the browser tab next to your site title to help make your site recognizable. All I have to do is click on the add a favicon, which is make sure that it does not exceed the file limit. Squarespace will accept image files like .ico, .png, JPEG, and GIF formats. Okay, you have the option for the dark mode. We're going to click on the default for now. Click that and upload file. Alright, so let's see what happens. Click on save. Let's see if the changes took effect. You see that? The changes was successful. Now, the favicon here was now using our Gplaps logo. Let's try to use a favicon, which is going to be the dark mode optional. Now, in this case, we're going to select from library. All right. Probably something right here. In this case, I'm going to be using that. Let's check if something's gonna happen here. Alright, so that's that. That's it. We have successfully changed our favicon. Alright? And as you can see, the favicon should automatically appear on the browser tab. But sometimes you may need to clear your browser cache for it to show up. It can also take a little longer to propagate on all devices or browsers. Alright? And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.